What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be trying something I got actually with my Ninja transfers, my DTF transfers. They sent me a little sample of, I've been wanting to try these. They're the UV DTF stickers. I don't know if you can see them. They came with my order. They're 3D stickers. So I've been actually wanting to put these into offering, in my business, offering these to customers. They're permanent 3D stickers, UV stickers. This is actually my first time ever even trying them. I was actually going to put an order, and they actually sent me a little sample pack before I even put an order in to try them out for myself. But I'm going to grab something and try cutting one of these little samples out and put it on. I figured I'd just pull the camera out, for anybody that's, thinking about going with these. At least I'll throw a video up that you could see firsthand for a little sample. And then when I get more samples, bigger ones, I'll do more videos on it. But it's just a quick video I wanted to throw out for you guys just to try out these new UV DTF stickers, I believe they're called. Decals, that's exactly what they feel like. They definitely got the 3D feel to them. Looks like a glossy finish. I'm not really sure when you peel it off what it's gonna look like. So it's my first time trying it. I'm gonna try these out, set the camera up so you guys can see. All right, guys, so I'm gonna try it out on this cup here. I'm gonna cut one of these out. I believe all you do is just peel them off. Cut that one out there. Peel them off and stick them on here. Just see here, you guys can see it. Yeah, it peels right off, real nice. So I'm just gonna line it up on here. Just anywhere, nothing crazy. So you guys can see that. I want to see how these little stars here, how they turn out. Because if these things work out nice, I mean, I'll definitely use these and sell them to my customers with things, offering another print, just another way to make some money. I probably should have tried a smooth surface first, but let's see how this works. And I believe you just peel them off. Yeah, see, that's them little stars here coming up, so. I'll try another one after this. That star keeps coming up. They didn't send me any type of directions with them. Let's see if I pull like that. Nah, that one came up. It's all right. It's definitely probably me. It ain't their stickers. Now see, they feel real nice. I like the 3D feel on them. I'll definitely be trying to get my own, I'll get my own logo done first. Get some big ones and try out big ones. Let me try another one of these out. They're not bad at all, though. Cut another one here. Like I said, I'll throw out a video when I do the bigger ones. I'll get order some up this week. Let's try them out. So here's this one. The next one I'm gonna try out. Do the same thing. I'll put it on the cup there. So you guys can see it peeled off here. I've been hearing about these for a while, and I've been wanting to try them out. Let me just put that on here. I do like the 3D feel. And I'll look into I'll do more research on them to see if there's better ways to apply them. I'm just, like I said, just going off the head with them right now. Well, this one doesn't got anything little on it, so let's see how this one does. Oh yeah, and it does. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's got, you could see the 3D on it. But I like they got a smooth glossy finish to them. Let me try one more. I'll try one of the more of the smaller ones here. Or I'll try their little Ninja. And these are the UV, I believe it's UV DTF stickers on their website, it's called. Pull that off. I mean, they peel off, they come off real nice and everything. Stick that one right there. You could definitely make money on these things. I'm gonna test this too before I go doing a big order. I'll throw this thing outside for a little bit, let it get weathered, you know, beat it up, put, you know, hot, cold stuff in it. I'll do everything I tried and anything before I sell to my customers, I always test it out myself. Same thing with DTF transfers, any type of transfers, I always do wash test myself. Oh yeah. You guys can see that. Let me zoom the camera out here a little bit. There you go. So you guys could see it. They didn't come out bad at all. I'm definitely gonna try them out. So I'll leave the links to their website and everything. I know there's other companies. I believe Flash Custom Transfers has them too now. There's other companies out there. These were, like I said, I just got a sample pack, so I tried it. I'll leave the links to everything. All right, guys. That was just a quick video on these UV DTF decal stickers from Ninja Transfers. Like I said in previous videos, for anybody starting off new, all these stuff, the decals, DTF transfers, Plastel transfers, these people all mostly order or have available sample packs. Order your sample pack from them. Most of them are free. Some of them, I think they charge you like $1 or $2 for shipping. But like I said, they just sent these to me. I wanted to try them out. So I'm going to order my own. But that's how it came out. They got a nice feel to them, everything. I'm going to do tests on these and, try them out for myself. So I'll leave the links to all this stuff. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.